I'm in the starboard pontoon 44 catamaran. This is the water pump for the washdown, anchor washdown pump. That's a strainer for dirty seawater. You can see that hose going up across the top, coming down here, pardon the camera, coming all the way down here to this small piece. That is the seacock for the anchor washdown pump. That's what that is. So I'll follow this back up again. And you can see that goes all the way back to the anchor washdown pump, and then that hose goes up and goes to the nozzle on the bow of the boat. Now this other pump, this is your drinking water pump, and you can see it's got a different type of hose. It's got that white hose hiding back there. White hose is sanitary hose, both for drinking and for sewage. Don't get them confused. And then that's got a strainer on it also. And then this comes from the water tank on the boat, and it goes down that white pipe, plastic pipe, and then that goes to the water tank on the boat. And then up here at the top, you can see that that goes out to the drinking water system on the boat, to the galley sink, to the head sink, to the toilets. This is a freshwater toilet, and also to the shower on the aft deck. If you want to know how I got in here, don't ask me, because I got to crawl out that hole right there. Or no hole up there. Anyway, ask Captain Chris.